How to cure boredom at home. 10 fun and productive things to do. Boredom is something we all experience from time to time. Whether you're stuck at home on a rainy day, taking a break from work, or just feeling uninspired, boredom can make time drag on endlessly. But what if you could turn that boredom into an opportunity? Instead of wasting hours scrolling through social media or watching random videos, you can use your time in fun and productive ways. The truth is, boredom isn't the problem. It's how we respond to it. The good news? There are countless ways to make your time exciting, fulfilling, and even life-changing. Here are 10 engaging and productive ways to cure boredom at home and turn idle time into an adventure. 1. Try a new hobby. Have you ever thought about picking up a new skill or hobby? Now is the perfect time. Trying something new not only keeps your mind engaged, but also brings excitement into your daily routine. The best part? There's a hobby for everyone. Art and creativity. Learn painting, sketching, or digital art. Online tutorials make it easy to start, even if you're a beginner. Music. Always wanted to play an instrument? Start with a ukulele, keyboard, or even an online singing course. Coding and tech. Platforms like Codecademy and Coursera offer free coding lessons, making it easy to dive into web development or app creation. Handcrafts. Knitting, embroidery, or pottery can be a calming and rewarding way to spend time. The key is to experiment with different activities until you find one that excites you. Once you do, boredom will become a thing of the past. 2. Exercise and stay active. Feeling restless? One of the best ways to combat boredom is to move your body. Exercise boosts energy levels, improves mental health, and keeps you in shape. You don't need a gym membership to stay active. There are plenty of workouts you can do at home. Try HIIT workouts for a quick energy boost. Get into yoga for relaxation and flexibility. Go for a walk or run if possible. It clears your mind and lifts your mood. Join an online dance class and learn fun routines while staying fit. Staying active makes a huge difference in how you feel. Even a few minutes of stretching or deep breathing can refresh your mind and body. 3. Read a book or listen to audiobooks. Books are one of the best ways to escape boredom while gaining knowledge. Whether it's an exciting novel, a self-improvement book, or a gripping mystery, reading keeps your mind engaged and entertained. If you struggle to focus on books, audiobooks or podcasts are great alternatives. You can listen while doing other activities, making them a great multitasking option. Some must-try book genres include thrillers and mysteries for excitement and suspense, self-improvement to build confidence and learn new skills, fantasy and fiction to escape into another world, biographies to get inspired by real-life success stories. No matter what you choose, reading and listening are excellent ways to make the most of your free time. 4. Start a DIY project. DIY, do-it-yourself, projects can be fun, creative, and productive. Whether you love crafting, home improvement, or repurposing old items, DIY projects let you unleash your creativity. Make homemade candles, soaps, or jewelry. Create personalized gifts for friends and family. Revamp old furniture or paint your walls for a fresh look. Build a small garden indoors or on your balcony. DIY projects not only keep you busy, but also leave you with something tangible and meaningful at the end. 5. Learn to cook or bake. If you're tired of eating the same meals, why not challenge yourself to cook something new? Cooking and baking can be fun, relaxing, and incredibly rewarding. Try international cuisines. Make sushi, pasta from scratch, or authentic Indian curries. Bake homemade bread, cakes, or cookies. Experiment with healthy recipes that are both delicious and nutritious. Take on a cooking challenge by recreating restaurant-style dishes at home. Cooking allows you to get creative while also improving an essential life skill. 6. Organize and declutter. A cluttered space can make your mind feel just as chaotic. Use your free time to clean, organize, and refresh your home. Declutter your wardrobe and donate clothes you no longer wear. Organize your workspace for better productivity. Rearrange your room for a fresh, new look. Sort through your digital files and emails to remove unnecessary clutter. Cleaning and organizing give you a sense of accomplishment and create a more peaceful environment. 7. Watch educational videos or documentaries. Instead of binge-watching random shows, why not make your screen time productive? There are plenty of documentaries, TED Talks, and educational YouTube channels that make learning fun. Watch science and space documentaries to expand your knowledge. Learn about personal finance and investing. Explore history and culture through engaging videos. Follow tutorials to learn a new skill. With so much information available online, boredom is just an opportunity to discover something new. 8. Write a journal or start blogging. Writing is a powerful tool for self-expression and creativity. Whether it's keeping a personal journal, starting a blog, or writing poetry, it's a great way to organize your thoughts and ideas. Write about your daily experiences or future goals. Start a blog on a topic you love. Try creative writing, short stories, poems, or even a novel. Keep a gratitude journal to focus on positive aspects of life. Writing can be deeply fulfilling and might even turn into a long-term passion. 9. Connect with friends and family. Boredom can sometimes come from feeling disconnected. Reach out to friends and family to strengthen your relationships. Have a video call with old friends. Play online games together for a fun time. Organize a virtual movie night. Write a heartfelt letter or send a surprise gift. Staying connected with loved ones makes a huge difference in your mood and overall well-being. 10. Practice meditation and mindfulness. Sometimes, boredom is a sign that you need to slow down and reconnect with yourself. Meditation and mindfulness help you stay present, reduce stress, and improve focus. Try guided meditation apps for relaxation. Practice deep breathing exercises. Keep a mindfulness journal to track your thoughts. Spend time in nature if possible, for a refreshing break. A few minutes of mindfulness each day can bring a sense of peace and clarity. Final thoughts. Boredom isn't the enemy. It's an opportunity. Instead of wasting time feeling stuck, try one or several of these activities to make your time more fulfilling. Whether you choose to learn, create, move, or reflect, the key is to stay engaged and open to new experiences. Next time you feel bored, remember, you have the power to turn it into something exciting and meaningful. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.